Welcome to EcommPremium. In today's this full tutorial of TikTok Ads Manager, we will be setting up conversion campaigns for our Shopify store, TikTok Ads Manager, and we have a special tool PP Ads. Also, we are getting help from it. You guys can also get 20% off by using EcommPremium discount coupon or the link in the description. Conversion campaigns. So we will be setting up traffic campaign today with the lead generations and with conversions. So first campaign should be the traffic. So how you can set it up? Just select the concentration traffic and you have to select custom mode. It is in the campaigns option of your TikTok Ads Manager. Then click continue. Okay, this is a very quick tutorial on TikTok Ads Manager. We are going to send traffic on our website, and for this we will be selecting the placement. That should be you can also select automatic, but we will be going with custom only on TikTok. And in the advanced setting, you can see you can also hide remove video downloads option, so others can't use it on their creatives. And yes, you can allow comments and sharing. And then I will be going for automatic, and there are custom targeting and automatic targeting. So in the custom targeting, will be for the traffic, we'll be going for automatic targeting, right? And in here in the location, you can select the country and then the language and the scheduled budget. So the first campaign should have, we were going with $8 for the first day. And then in the ad group, we want it to run for the whole day. And you can also schedule the time. Okay, so this is scheduled after once we set up and submit the first campaign. So in here, all day and better bidding and optimization, our goal should be click. And with the lowest cap, you can also select bid cap in order to get results lower than your bid. So what low cost do? It is basically maximize the number of results. But if you have higher bid, then your numbers will be less. If you are lower bid, it depends. But in this scenario, lowest cost, you will have maximum number of results. And in the advanced option, you can also select billing event, like cost per click, and delivery type should be standard. So in here, we'll be selecting next. Okay, in here you see you can also select on the creatives. In here you can select custom icon that will display like this here on your head, and then you can select a single video. We'll be going to upload it from the library. So in here we have created some creatives here. You can see you can select it, or you can click from library, or you can upload it. And you can also test it like this. So you see, we have just tested it. It's good. We have placed some icons on it. You can upload, you can create creatives, and then you can add ad text here. You can give custom coupons here. You can give the URL of your website in here. You can give the website address, the product page address from here. Just copy the URL and paste it here in the URL option. Okay, you can also preview it from here, so you can see where the traffic is going. And after that, you can also use customized call to action button. You can also use dynamic. It will show everything dynamically according to the audience. And then you can follow up this by clicking this box. Then you can just Okay, in here now we have a pixel setup. If you haven't set up the pixel, you can just click from here and then create. So let's look at how we can create pixels. Pixels are basically Ads Manager is also tracking the URLs, the audience, how they are landing on different pages, what parameter we have during add to cart, purchase events, new cart page events. So from here you see you guys can easily set up the events. We have already set up one, and then you can check pixel code installation. In here you can get the code, you can insert it inside the header of your theme in Shopify, and then your pixel will be like this. And once the pixel is set up, you can select the pixels from here. So we have the pixel conversions data available with us, and then after, because we are targeting to our website, so we have this website here, and then impressions, tracking URL. You can leave this for third party. So we are on Shopify, and then you can click on submit. So here you see our first campaign with automatic targeting is now going to submit. Once you have submit, if you are on the new account, it will first ask you for the details. So we'll be back after submitting all these details. Okay, now we are going to see how to start conversion campaign. So we have to go to in the TikTok ads, and remember, if you haven't subscribed us, do subscribe, and there is one best offer for you guys. So if you want to get succeeded in TikTok ads interest with the help of PPS, then there is a 20% discount available with the coupon code EcommPremium, or the link in the description of this video. So must try this. You guys can have product, you guys can spy on products, on ads on TikTok, winning products. So this will be a plus for you guys. So here now we will be creating our conversion campaign in TikTok. Before we had a traffic campaign. Here you can see we spent $50, and what was the stats of the campaign. Let's check it in the dashboard. So here you can see how we did spend $50 on this last campaign, and we got 13,963 impressions. What was the meaning of, what was the reason to start a traffic campaign at the very first account? So your account got started spending, and your pixel should start learning. So today we will be setting up pixel again, and we will be setting up conversion campaign. For the first, we will be going to, in the campaign sections, we will be setting up a conversion campaign, and pixel for Shopify dropshipping stores specifically. So first of all, in order to create a new pixel, you have to install pixel for our Shopify store manually, so we can track the conversions easily. So there in the events, we have to select web events, and after selecting web events, we will go for manual codes installation inside our TikTok Ads Manager. So in here you see we already have created, but in here we will be creating a new one, set of web events, and we'll give a name for our own recognition. And in here we'll be going for TikTok pixel, and then click next, and then click on manual code pixel, and then next. And in here you see we have event builder and custom code, and in here build and customize events with code to fit your business needs. So now we'll be going for events builder, create events with our self-service platform. So in here we will be selecting event builder, and then next. After here is your pixel is created, and this is the pixel code. You have to copy this up, and then paste the code in the header section of your website. So here you have to go to theme.liquid, and here is the head. Under this you can simply paste that code of pixel you just have created, and if you have any other thing or a code, you can just simply delete that one, because you don't need two pixel codes. Okay. So this one is inserted, and now we'll be going to our pixel code section installation, and then on here you can check and manage cookies, enable automatic advanced matching. So we don't need automatic advanced matching. And here we'll be clicking on next. Okay, pixel is installed, and now we will be setting up our events and parameters. So we'll be track every current URL events, what you will get, track every time someone visits a specific page like a product detail page or an order confirmation page. For URL, you see this is add to cart, and in the destination URL you can simply set it up like this here. If you are on your store, you have to go to your cart page. Basically we have to give the URL here in order to track that specific URL every time. So you see once you will view my cart, so you see there is a URL on the left bottom here that is /cart, or you can also use this keyword. Whenever these keywords become active, we'll have one tracking conversion for add to cart. And then just like same like this for purchase event, like for conversion, for complete registration, and for complete payment. In here you see we'll see what most probably there is a thank you page at the end. So whenever a thank you page opens, you will have that conversion payment completed. So you see at the end we got thank you. In here we'll be writing this thank you keyword inside the URL of our conversion page details as well. In here we have two pixels, events, add to cart, and purchase. So now we'll be clicking on bleed setup. So we'll be having two events tracking with the help of manual pixel installation for TikTok ads. So here is some feedback. You can submit it only. So now you see we have test events here. You can just download this on your cell phone and you can check with the help of keyword code to check if your events are working. Okay, now we'll be going for a A/B testing campaign, and in here you have to go to campaign. We'll be selecting conversion website campaign, and you can give it the name A/B test second. So in here you see if you have already created one, you will see that how many campaigns we have created so far. And here we have just created first conversion campaign. In here you see after selecting this one, we will be going into ad groups. So this one is active, and then inside this we will be creating another ad group with the $20, and it will be you see one conversion campaign, multiple ad groups, and then inside the ad groups there should be ads. So in here we have another ad group. Now I will be going with use existing one. This was the ad group, and now we'll be going with the next because it has the settings inheritances from the previous campaign. So in here you see we have these options for the ad, but here we will be going with the new ad group because we want to A/B test first. In here you have to create a new ad group, right? And in this we will be giving it the name A/B test second. Okay, and then in here external website, after selecting the pixel and the optimization event, you can select complete payment, and then in here you can select placements, you can deselect panel. Okay, and in the advanced settings you can disable video download, so people can just comment and share your creatives ads. And in here we'll be selecting create custom targeting instead of automatic targeting. And in here in the demographics we'll be also selecting with okay, we'll be going for United States here, and then the language we'll be going for English. Okay, in here we'll be selecting this one, and in the age we'll be going with custom age limit. Okay, household, and then okay, we'll not making it anything in this. And in the audience you see custom look like. So here is the thing, now we want to take the audience, and if you don't want to go for this one, you see use audience to include or exclude custom audience. Okay, so in the interest and behavior, you see now if you haven't knew about this PP ads, we have special offer for you guys. If you want to know about the audience ad traffic, then there is 20% discount with EcommPremium coupon code, or there is a link in our description, so you can have your 20% discount for this PP ad best price tool. So APIs for ad interest targeting and ads that are doing the best. You see ad impressions and then popularity. In the search interest option here, you can explore e-commerce non-app, sports and outdoor, and this one specific, and inside there outdoor equipments, vehicles and transportation. In here you see motorcycles. So we are just selecting these ones, right, in this A/B testing, and then for next voice and target expansion, and in here we'll be selecting this one with, you can say we have $20 for the first A/B testing, and then we have for another ad group we are going with the 30, or we are going with 41, like 40, 60, and then here and this one will be going next. I will be selecting all day, lower cost, then next. In here we will be creating the ad now for this ad group. We have selected, we will be now upload video from library. It's part. Now we'll be going for confirm, and then in here you can give code satisfied percent of total. You can get the ad interest from PPS. You can best you can spy on ads easily, and then from here in the optimization you can just select the link, you can select the URL, and then in here customize call to action text. We are making it also, we are making this one standard, and now we'll be giving it this A/B testing campaign, Instead of this, we'll be giving shop now, or you can also select. We'll be going with shop now here, and in here we'll be checking this out. This is website events with pixel, and then now we are submitting this campaign. So this is the best solution to get it with the A/B testing conversion campaign and get the best results in TikToks. So here we have created another A/B testing, and so now we have total this 130 after the traffic campaign for pixel learning, and then we have this conversion campaign with second ad group in it. And now we'll be clicking, we will be going to create another ad group like this. Click on create, and now we have 30 plus 40 plus 30. We'll be checking here how much budget we have given. We have $100 campaign budget, and inside this, once you will click on this, we'll be getting the campaigns detail here. You see 20, 40, 60, and then in this ad groups you can click on create here. We'll be creating another $40, and now here in the ad group, this will be the third A/B test. Now we will be going very quick for this one. Then the pixel, and the optimization event, and then in here placements, we have this thing, and in here in the advanced settings you can just disable this video download, custom targeting United States. You see how we're going for this one. But this we are optimizing it for all, right? Get the results of A/B testing campaigns and she's out, add interest, and now in here we'll be only selecting motorcycles. You see motorcycles, electric motorcycles, motorcycles, and then digital interest. In here you can also select. In the first we have selected the motorcycles, and then here you can have similar interest, clicking on the road, bicycle, and then we have hobby, then we have in this campaign we will be also selecting, we will be not selecting outdoor. So in here you see we have the budget of this one, so we'll be going with this, and now we'll be starting it from now. And you can holiday, and you can also select this thing, word cost, get the maximum results. So here is the delivery type standard. Now we'll click on next, and now we will be quickly winding it up after making another ad for this ad group. In here you can just go to this one, central video, from library, click on your video, confirm. So these are our A/B testings. So we will be giving it best e-buying sale, and this will help us in A/B testing conversions. Then in here you can select your URL or destination on your store, but then and just select the events, that is web event, and in here give it, and now we'll click on submit. So guys, if you also want to run as growing your dropshipping stores, now EcommPremium, do reach to us, and also subscribe the channel, like the video. So here you can see this was 1 day ago, and in here we have these campaigns that are live. So we have set up, like you can see, we have set up 4 campaigns so far, and this for the first with $50 for traffic to learn our pixels regarding our traffic. And then we have these 3 A/B testing campaigns set out. This will also become active in some time for $100 for 1 day daily budget of campaign with 3 ad sets with conversions A/B testing. So we'll see which will do best. And here in the dashboard you can also see, and you can also check the results. So you see we have 2 active campaigns, and then you can get the results in here. And once your campaign is started, you'll get the results here like this. So this is how you can set TikTok ad manager, TikTok ad campaigns with the help of PPF, and you are getting sales, a lot of sales. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.